Welcome to the tutorial video about how to measure in the Diversity of Species lab. Now, this lab is really interesting because we get to look at 4 different environments and we're trying to figure out how temperature and precipitation or humidity or wetness of the environment change the diversity environment. So the question is, are cold, wet, dry, hot, which environments have the most diversity? Which ones have the most different types of species? So go ahead and pick a hypothesis based on how you think that's going to work. Okay, I've picked mine now. And then pick one of these 4 environments to look at. Desert, hot, dry. Arctic tundra is cold and dry. Tide pool is cold and wet. And a coral reef is hot and wet. So let's just take the first one. We're going to press play and watch a little video. What does the desert look like? You can kind of see, I don't see a whole lot of stuff there. There's some scrub brush and some cacti and things of that nature. And then your job for each one of these scenes is to click on each unique animal and plant you see once. So you see at the top here, here's some options for animals and plants we might see. And here they are out in the scene. So if I see a big cactus, I'm going to click on that once. If I see a scrub brush, I'm going to click on that once. Maybe this thing right here might be a Joshua tree. Let's click on that once. Okay, and then we'll press next. Now you've got a different scene for the desert. There's one, and there's one, and press next. And oh, I see a camel, and they're eating some kind of plant there. And lastly, we've got this last desert environment here. Once you've done your 4 scenes for a particular environment, press save. It's going to go into your little menu up here, and you can also press reset if you'd like to reset it while you're measuring, or you can measure again by watching and measuring again. Do all 4 your environments and try to figure out which type of environment has the most species diversity in this lab.